Hello, welcome to LingoKorea. My name is Hyunjin. Have you been in a situation where you feel like you have to break the ice to feel silence? In today's lesson, I'm going to teach common questions Koreans ask in this situation and how to respond to them. Let's get started. A common question that Koreans ask is 어디 살아요? In this question, 어디 means where. While its original version is 어디에, people often shorten it to 어디 by skipping 에. 살아요 means live, so the question means where do you live? People ask this question often because it can lead to further questions easily. In formal settings when speaking with colleagues, say 어디 사세요 by changing the ending. 세요 is a formal verb ending.
어디 사세요?
똥이요.
One easy way to respond is simply by stating the name of the area as in the video. When you do this, add yo at the end to sound polite. Here are some examples. If you live in Sydney, say 시드니요, meaning is Sydney. If the area ends with a consonant, you should use io after the area name. For example, if you live in New York, say 뉴욕이요, as it is quite hard to say 뉴욕요, as you can hear. That's why you say 뉴욕이요. Another response to the question is 에 살아요. In this sentence, 에 means in and 살아요 translates to live. In casual conversations, Koreans often skip 에. So, if you live in Gangnam, you can say 강남 살아요, which means I live in Gangnam. Another commonly asked question is 주말 잘 보냈어요? People often ask this question on Mondays or at the start of the week. In this question, 주말 means weekend, 잘 means well, and 보냈어요 means spent. As you may know, 시옷 어요 is the past tense verb ending. So this question asks if you spent the weekend well, meaning did you have a good weekend? While 잘 보냈어요 is a polite way to ask, if you're speaking to someone much older or in a higher position within the company, it's important to phrase it more formally. In that case, use 주말 잘 보내셨어요 by adding shot, making the tone formal.
주말 잘 보냈어요?
When you respond to this question, the general rule is to respond positively, mentioning that you had a good weekend. To do so, say 네, 잘 보냈어요.
잘 보내셨죠?
네, 잘 보냈어요.
If you truly need to express that you didn't have a good weekend, you can say 아니요, 잘 못 보냈어요, meaning I didn't have a good weekend. In this case, be prepared for follow-up questions such as 무슨 일 있어요? Which means what happened or what's wrong.
무슨 일 있어요? 아닙니다.
In today's lesson, you've learned how to ask questions to break the ice in Korean and how to respond to them. Let's review. 어디 살아요? 서울이요. 서울에 살아요. 주말 잘 보냈어요? 주말 잘 보내셨어요? 네, 잘 보냈어요.